So on this tractor you have to put the clutch down, so it won't stop without the no clutch down. So turning in the key. The clutch is down now to start this one up. So here we go. Put it in start on the down there. That problem again. Got a clicky starter motor, as you can hear. So let's sort out the starter motor. Starter motor is here, so it's clicking. So battery temperature is okay. It must be down in here somewhere. Maybe it's dirty. So disconnect the battery terminal, which is here before I touch the electrics down there. You know what would happen, don't you? Do you? Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Bye. So that's the stop button there. So what I'm doing is cleaning all the chemicals here, all the connections like here, and the nut and the bolt needs doing. The nut would need doing as well, and the split washer, so that all needs cleaning. That's all been cleaned. This probably, let's take that off. Yep, give that a clean as well. Yeah, on this you've got a start this one. This one just put the clutch down. So you just press that down there, then it will start. But that is some fluid on there, some spray. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Also charging the battery up at the same time when I'm doing this. Don't want to get no electric shock. So here I've got to actually clean this up now. Wait. So hello. So I've done all this now. Put it all back together. And I thought let's start it. No, didn't want to know. Clean the battery connectors. Didn't want to know. The battery is fully charged. That's good. So now I put a bracket in here, stop it bending to help support it when I put the clutch down to start it. What I forgot is this lead here for live. I didn't put on, did I? So I have now. So I put some grease around it, stop it going rusty. Put a little bit more on here. So I'm now going to try and start the tractor. I will have to put the phone down because I can't do two things at once. Is that working? Yeah, nice. That's working. The clutch, that bracket what I put on. So stop this up. Here. Come on, eh? Hang on. Still got this clicking sound on it.